Hey everybody, it's Paul with Weed in the Bush. That's where the grow room used to be, but now it's just part of the garage. But another time. Got my bag on my back. It's a winter storm. Let's check this out. Yeah, look at this. It's been snowing all day. But I'm gonna go north, find a group of trees. Got the bivvy. So yeah, let's walk north for a little while. Guys, hopefully you can hear me. It's pretty windy down this path. Time right now is about 5:16. Sunset is at 5:59. So this is the first snowy adventure this year. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. Weed in the Bush. I got some new gear. Got some army surplus gear. These gloves are some of them. I like them already. Yeah, like I said, I brought the bivvy. I got my winter sleeping bag. Got some information on that too. Thanks, Richard. Thank you. Goodbye, houses. See you tomorrow morning sometime. I have no plan. I'm just walking till I find a place to camp. I see footprints here, so this isn't gonna work. I do know I gotta slow down a little bit. Starting to sweat. Don't want to sweat. You sweat, you die, right? But yes! The snow. The weather people said the snow was gonna stop around noon, and I was just like, no, man, just keep coming. Don't stop. So it's not supposed to stop till about midnight tonight, and then the temperature will drop. So it will be a cold morning, cold walk back. But you know how that is. You just got to do it. You're done. Mission accomplished, right? So that was water a week ago. It is now frozen. This was all like Sunday, last Sunday. Today is Saturday, so a week ago, this was brown. We had no snow. Halloween night was Monday. We went to bed. We woke up with snow. So, I mean, you couldn't ask for a better timing on that, right? I'm wondering, what about those trees right there, guys? With the bivvy? No, we're right on top of a hill. It's windy as heck in there. Yeah, you can definitely see there is footprints. Oh yeah, I just had to. We'll be setting up in the dark, but that's all right. We got flashlights and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'll get back to you if something exciting happens. Those geese, they're way late. Yeah, check this out. Like, that's up to my past my knees, guys. Fuck, I love winter. Yeah. Whew. She's deep though. Man, that's deep. It's drifted right across the road here. Crazy. The wind is blowing northwest, that direction. Pretty sure on the other side of the group of these trees is a dip. So I think we're gonna go there. There's just this non-barbed wire fence. You know, it's alright. I haven't seen any signs. It's all town land anyways. So, right? Yeah, let's I mean, it's windy here. I had to vent. I'm starting to sweat. It's not good. And yeah, as I suspected, come down here and the wind is way less. So, I'm cool with this. We got houses over there. We got houses there. Those are the ones we walked by. But we'll be up in there, so they won't be able to see us. And those guys over there, it's way too far to even know what's going on. There's a road there. And then that path runs across that barbed wire fence, kind of right there, and then goes around over there. But like I said, it's 5:30 already. I doubt anybody else will be on that path at all till tomorrow morning. But yes, it is very nice and calm. There's no wind here, so that is good. Snow is halfway up my calves, so there's quite a bit of snow. So the breeze is blowing through there. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, this is home for the night, guys. The wind is not existent here. The snow is falling. The bivvy can set up here with a little bit of work. I could probably have a fire. Yeah, hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. So let's get some work done. Well guys, we got camp set up and we got the fire going. Yes, it's awesome. So I went to the, actually, you know what? Let's get a joint on the go. The grower is Simply Bare Organic. BC Organic Lime Mojito. No. Mojito. I don't know. I'll show you guys. Simply Bare Organics. BC Organic Lime Mojito. Look at the THC. 29% THC. So let's go light one of these up. What a smell that is. We've had Simply Bare before. Nice smell. Well, I got some bad news. I don't have any Stealth Pepsis with me. This is the first time ever since I've been stealth camping I have not have a Stealth Pepsi with me. I don't even know what to say, guys. I feel like I let everybody down. I let myself down. I don't even know. No Stealth Pepsis. Can you believe that? Fire's nice. So I did pick up from the Army surplus store today one of these little foam pads. It's covered in like vinyl, so it's waterproof. I'm just using it on my tripod chair. And then I also picked up these, they're aviator winter pants. So you got lots of pockets in them and they're super warm. Super warm. They got Gore-Tex Gore-Tex. Frickin' 55 bucks. And while I was there, Richard, that sleeping bag you donated me, I could easily sell it for 250 bucks. Easy, all day. But mine, being made in 1968, I could get probably over $400 for that. So Richard, thank you. But just so you know, I ain't selling it. Bag was heavy, but I've had heavier summer trips, so, but I also didn't have any Stealth Pepsis, right? I brought enough to make 2 hot chocolates and 2 coffees. So I think we'll smoke this joint. We'll get a hot chocolate on the go. It's pretty, there's no taste to it, unfortunately. I don't know where they're getting Mintoto or Mentito or whatever the fuck it was called. I don't know. I got nothing. Just regular weed. Burning okay. Yeah, it's burning all right. Fairly smooth on the throat too, so, and I can already feel that 29% THC in the bloodstream. So that is good there. But yeah, guys, this has been the first time I went stealth camping since the Halloween challenge, which was like 2 weeks before it was dropped. So man, it's been like 3 weeks or so. I don't know if I've gone this long without stealth camping before. So I don't care if there was a fucking tornado or a straight up blizzard, I was going camping tonight. Even if all we had to do was set up the fucking bivvy and then live in the bivvy. I also got a insulated sleeping pad. That is from you guys watching ads and donations and memberships. So fantastic, thank you. I mean, typical Alberta though, it's none of this ease into anything. It's just freaking, oh, November 1st, snow. And it's not going anywhere. No, we got snow now till spring. So, you know, expect these darker videos and colder videos, but I love it, man. You dress for the weather. There's not even a lick of chill in my bones right now. Not even a tid smidgen. Well, guys, we got 3 more of these joints to smoke. We're going to smoke them all this episode. So we will review them at the end. But, well, it's above a 5 anyways, so that's good. We haven't had one yet below 5, I don't think. So that's all right. Climate Insulated Static V. That was $100 on Amazon. And I really needed one. Oh, that fits in there good. One stage. And then there's the inside and then the liner. So I gotta get this inside this. I think that should work. And then I brought my non-inflatable pillow because it's just better than sleeping on a cold thing of air, right? And that's my sleep system. Should work good. So let's make some hot chocolate and smoke another joint. Figured I'll melt some snow to replace the hot chocolate water, because I'd like to have 2 full Nalgene bottles to go to bed with tonight. So why not? It's free water. Well, we got train wreck. This is some, I don't want to say it's homegrown, but it's not store-bought. I also bought a bellows. I bought 2 of them. Thinking, why does a guy need 2 of them? I mean, the second one was 50 cents more than the first one, so I'm like, wow, I'm going to get 2 of them. Well, I think I lost the first one already. Yep. I figure we eat some Halloween candy instead. What do we got in the pocket? Oh, a Twix. That should be good and frozen. Oh yeah, this train wreck. Again, just normal weed. Oh yeah. The caramel is frozen. And a big, absolute, fantastic congratulations to the top 5 of the Halloween challenge dropped by the Canadian Beaver. Survival Sam, Camp Like a Boon, Squib, Basic Stealth Camping, and Hidden Hammock. Way to go, guys. Fantastic. And everybody else, absolutely wonderful. Absolutely fantastic. Man, there was just so much effort and pride was put into everybody's video. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. Hashtag October Challenge. Halloween Challenge. Canadian Beaver. Fantastic live. My time just got cut short because of family things and stuff, but you know, we'll see what happens again. Already planning November. Can't wait, Squib. You guys rock. All of you. Every one of you. Thank you for helping us make this family and joining this family and this community and the awesomeness that we get into, and so many creative minds out there. Just, I mean, yeah, you guys are just unbelievable. Fantastic. Way to go, guys. Loved them all. Yes! Yeah, again, guys, nothing spectacular. Just normal weed. Gets you high. Gets me high anyway. It's snowing. Fantastic. -9. 15 point something degrees Fahrenheit. But I bet you with that wind chill, I bet you it's -15 or more. Yeah, it's windy and cold. So, I mean, like I said, let's just take a quick tour around this place, right? See what's on the other side of the trees here and stuff. So, I'll get a joint on the go and then we'll do that. Yeah, we'll just, next time you see me, I'll be smoking a joint. We got Chunky Monkey. That looks awesome. That's the last house that we've seen. And then again, this was just that group of trees that we first mentioned. So, I mean, home's just over there. I could be at home in 10 minutes if I needed to be. Let's see if we can get to the other side. Fuck, I don't think so. Yeah, I'd like to report that my shoulders are just a little bit cold. And my thumb is cold. Because I always have it out to use the touch screen. And it's just always sucks in the winter. Knock the cherry off the joint. Oh yeah, sorry about the wind. I don't know how bad it's gonna be. But yeah, I think the trail comes across, and then we came across, and then We went down that way. And that's where all the drifts were, right, with the wind. You can tell. And then we're just over there. So when we leave in the morning, we'll just come straight down this way. Super short, super easy. But yeah, guys, it is freaking windy and cold as heck out here. I don't even know if you can hear me. So I'm gonna go prepare for bedtime. And next time you see me, we'll be hopefully cozy and warm in the bivvy and sleeping bag. Smoke weed every day. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. Weed in the bush. That's right. Who else is crazy enough to be out here in a wind chill of minus frickin', I bet you it's minus 20. Like my hands, that's the way my hands feel. So, and again, we have stealth camped in those groups of trees as well. But we'll see you when we're in the bivvy. Well guys, we're in the bivvy. And yeah, it takes quite a bit of work to get in here and gear changed and new socks and boil 2 Nalgene bottles. That's nice though. These things are freaking. Ooh yeah. So awesome. Love these. And I mean, I need to keep water warm anyways, so why not have it warm? And yeah. So let's smoke one of these Simply Bare BC Organic Lime Mojitos. I don't know. It is only 8:40, but I tell you, it's a lot warmer and just nicer in here. So, yeah, I mean, it's windy outside. It's still snowing. I can still hear the snow. Made some turtle hot chocolate this time. And I'm going to say, now that I think about it, I think I forgot my coffee at home as well. I put them into the glass weed containers that I use. And I want to say they're just still sitting there. Yep, 100%. So we're gonna have like warm water for breakfast tomorrow. Man, what kind of fucking episode is this gonna be? No fucking Stealth Pepsi, no fucking coffee in the morning. What the f? I did bring some pepperonis, so we'll eat some pepperonis, I guess. Big chewy nerds eat before some pepperonis. Well, I should have had them here up against the Nalgene bottles. But they're good. Pepperoni. It's the right temperature. What should I cook for the November challenge? I'm pretty sure Richard's coming. Bleep bloop it down there in the comments. I don't know. I'm leaning towards that 7 mark. We'll smoke one in the morning or tonight, 3 o'clock in the morning or something like that when it's cold and we're up. This trip was supposed to be a high risk location, but the wind, it would have been just too windy it would have been up against a fence and the wind would have been smacking me right in the face. And yeah, so I chose to come out here. Yeah, guys, I'll finish smoking this joint. Good morning, guys. It's 1:58 in the morning. Time change is supposed to happen at like 2:03 today. So we lose an hour. So we go from like 2:03 back to 1:03. So yeah, I figured we'd celebrate by smoking a joint, right? It just changed. It's now 1 o'clock. I should have showed you before, but the time just went backwards. I'm a time traveler, guys. I've stealth camped on many, probably 4 time changes now. This is the first time I've actually been up and got it. Yeah. It's, according to the clock, it's 5 a.m. But according to my body clock, it's 6 a.m. And it's time to get up. I can't lay here anymore. But yeah, I think the plan is I'm gonna pack everything up I can while I'm in here, which is gonna be very difficult. And then I think we're just gonna pack up, walk home, make a coffee, and smoke our breakfast joint at home. Like I said, I'm only about maybe 10 minutes away from home. The wind is just howling out there. I can just hear it. And as you can see, it's cold in here. I think next time you see me, we'll be outside. We'll check the conditions outside, and then we will frickin' get the heck out of here. Okay, we're outside. It snowed a little bit more last night, like, right, there's the hatchet and stuff. Yeah, my jacket, chair, firebox. So let's get this stuff cleaned up. Let's get out of here. Yeah, there's definitely some condensation on it. That's where the bivvy was. Looks good. And then that's where the firebox and activities were spent. Looks good. And there's my bag. Temperature says it's only minus 10.8 degrees Celsius. That's 12.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's not that cold, actually. I think if I had coffee, it'd be a good morning. But let's go get coffee. You can't tell, but my bag's on my back. We're out of here. My flashlight's dying. So I think it's a good thing we're leaving. Oh, that wind is brisk outside of the trees. Whew. It's still snowing. And these were our footprints last night. Almost blend in already. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. Weed in the bush. Oh, we had. Those weren't there last night. Right. Well, we had some animal activity. I think there's no barbed wire on this fence. All those people sleeping in their warm, comfy bed. How are you gonna live life like that? Get out and go stealth camping in the winter. Makes you feel alive. I can just imagine what's going through people's minds. Oh, great. Another homeless person in town. Nope. Just out on an adventure. I mean, why not, right? Some activity in the morning. Followed Weed in the Bush. It's like a few days after this camp trip. I just didn't like how the ending turned out, so we're gonna redo it. And I also kind of forgot to smoke that third store-bought joint. We smoked a little bit of it when the time change was, but I ended up losing the cherry somewhere, and then I fell asleep, and well, we woke up. So this is it. What is it? Simply Bare Organics, BC Organic Lime Mojito. I'm pretty sure is what it is. So let's get that on the go. So I guess thanks for hanging out with me on this adventure. It was a lot of fun. I love camping in the snow. I love it. I mean, I wasn't cold at all. At one point my shoulders did get a little bit chilly, but I think that was because I was sweating walking there and I did get a little bit damp. But otherwise, I had so much fun. Update on weather here. It hasn't stopped snowing, it hasn't stopped blowing, it's cold, and it's just nasty outside. I'm going to give the ending, my original ending of this video, to the members. So if you want to watch it, pop on over to the members side. $3.99 gets you a member. It's Simply Bare Organics. I'm only going to give it a 7 out of 10. You know, honestly, I've only smoked a half a joint since I got home from work, and we're just about done this one, and it's nothing spectacular, so that's my honest opinion. Burns good though, like, you know, burning nice and gray. So I mean, maybe we should bump it up a little bit. No, we're keeping it at a 7. Okay guys, thanks for watching, thanks for hanging out with me in the winter. I smoke weed every day. I'm already looking forward to the next snowy adventure. We will see what happens. It's, like I said, it's a lot of work to get out in the winter. It's twice as much work, 4 times as much energy. I have a hard time stealth camping and then going to work. It's just, it's too much. So I'm kind of limited to weekends, and again, it's a lot of work. Not this weekend coming. Next weekend we'll be doing the November challenge video, So, you know, again, that won't be dropped until the end of November. So I got to get you another bit of content in between there. Smoke weed every day. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. Weed in the bush. Just go smoke weed in the bush. It's fun. I love it. You'll love it too. Awesomeness. Thanks, guys. We'll see you on the next adventure. Yes.